Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook memories not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to completely delete Facebook and reinstall it. Sometimes deleting and reinstalling the application can help us solve such problems. We go to Settings to clear Facebook's data. Then we scroll down and click on Apps. After doing this, we click on Manage Apps. We type Facebook in the search bar. Then click on Storage. We click on Clear Data and then we click on Clear All Data. Press OK to confirm. We cleared Facebook's data. Now we will delete Facebook. We deleted Facebook. Now we enter the Play Store to download it again. We type Facebook in the search bar. Then we click on Install. We downloaded Facebook. Now all we have to do is log into our account and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to use Facebook Lite. The problem we are experiencing may be due to a temporary problem with Facebook. So we will try to solve the problem by downloading Facebook Lite. To do this, we enter the Play Store. We type Facebook Lite in the search bar. After doing this, we click on Install. We downloaded Facebook Lite. Now we will check if the Memories feature is working. To do this, we open Facebook Lite. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. After doing this, we click on Memories. Since I don't use this account to post stuff on Facebook, there's nothing I can see here, but your memories will be there. If downloading Facebook Lite did not fix the problem, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to download the old version of Facebook. The reason we do this is because the problem we are experiencing may be due to the last update to Facebook. We will try to solve this problem by downloading the old version. We remove up-to-date Facebook from our device before downloading the old version. Now we can download the old version of Facebook. I will put the download link in the description. From there, you can go directly to the download page. After entering the site, click on Download. If you haven't downloaded APK file before, you may have a problem here. For those who have problems, I put the solution video in the card section. We downloaded our file. Now we will start the installation process. We installed Facebook. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Before I finish the video, there is one last thing I want to mention. The problem may be caused by your internet. You can try accessing your memories using mobile data. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.